Welcome to Lively English. In the first part of our supermarket shopping series, we'll explore common conversations, including making complaints and inquiries. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to become part of the Lively English community. Let's go!
Excuse me, I need to talk to someone about this yogurt I bought yesterday. It's already expired and gone bad.
I'm terribly sorry to hear about that. Let me take a look at the yogurt and see what I can do for you.
The store staff examines the yogurt.
I apologize for the inconvenience. It seems that the yogurt has indeed expired. Let me process a refund for you right away. Could you also please bring over the package and your purchase receipt?
Sure, here they are. Also, I purchased some raw steak, but when I opened the package, it had a foul odor. I'm worried it might be spoiled as well.
I'm sorry to hear that. Let me take a look at the steak as well.
The staff examines the steak.
I apologize for this. It appears that the steak has also spoiled. I'll process a refund for it as well.
Thank you. It's just frustrating when you buy something and it's already spoiled.
I completely understand. With the recent hot weather, there's a chance some perishable items might spoil quicker during transportation. Again, I apologize for the inconvenience.
That's understandable. Thank you for your help with this.
You're welcome. If you have any further concerns or questions, please don't hesitate to ask.
Hi there, I have a question about your points reward scheme. I've been participating in the recent promotion. Customers who spend over $150 each week for 2 consecutive weeks qualify. They can then earn an extra 5,000 points. I've met the requirements both weeks, but I haven't received the extra points. Can you please check into this for me?
I'm sorry to hear that. Let me check your account for you. Can I have your loyalty card, please?
The store staff scans the loyalty card.
It looks like you did qualify for the promotion. I apologize for the inconvenience. Sometimes there can be delays in processing points, but I'll make sure to add them manually for you.
The staff adds the points manually.
Thanks. I've been a loyal customer for a while, so it's disappointing not to see my points reflecting my purchases.
I completely get where you're coming from. Loyalty rewards are important, and we want to make sure you get what you deserve. Let me add those points to your account right away.
Thanks for sorting that out. Appreciate it. One more thing. Can I convert my points into airline miles? How does that work?
Easy peasy. Just give me the airline name and your frequent flyer program number. After a quick setup, your reward points will be linked to your airline miles account. Want me to set it up so your reward points automatically transfer to your airline miles account?
Yeah, sounds good. Thanks for your help.
No problem. It's all sorted, and you should see the changes within 24 hours. Keep an eye on your reward points program through our app or website to track the updates.
Awesome. Thanks again for your assistance.
Anytime. If you have more questions or need help, just holler.
If you want Lively English to continue to make more episodes about daily conversation in different situations, please hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Like and share this video with your friends. Your support helps us create valuable content. Thank you for being a part of our learning community. A foul odor. A foul odor. This phrase describes an unpleasant or offensive smell.
Example. We noticed a foul odor coming from the kitchen. Synonym. We noticed a bad smell coming from the kitchen.
I completely get where you're coming from. I completely get where you're coming from. This expression indicates understanding or empathy toward someone else's viewpoint.
Example. I completely get where you're coming from regarding the situation. Synonym. I understand you regarding the situation.
Easy peasy. Easy peasy. This phrase expresses that something is simple or straightforward.
Example. Don't worry, it's easy peasy to fix. Synonym. Don't worry, fixing it is a piece of cake.
Keep an eye on. Keep an eye on. Advising someone to monitor or observe something carefully.
Example. Could you keep an eye on my bag while I go to the restroom? Synonym. Could you watch closely my bag while I go to the restroom?
Just holler. Just holler. This phrase expresses the action of loudly calling out.
Example. If you need anything, just holler, and I'll come right over. Synonym. If you need anything, just call out, and I'll come right over.
We're wrapping up today's episode. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe, like, and share buttons. Your support means a lot. See you in the next episode.